130. Nagsimula ako umaga, 5:45, andito na ako. Tapos masarap ngayon magsimula ng umaga kasi malamig yung simoy ng hangin. Ramdam mo na talaga malapit na yung Pasko. Actually, it's less than 50 days till Christmas. Anyway, yun. So I started with the usual routine, paikot-ikot. Sasama ko na sa routine ngayon yung CrossFit jump box jump, I don't know, pero that's how I consider that trick, the box jump. So it's more of a leg work and more of thighs and hips, yun. Anyway, yeah, it's just a regular day actually, nothing to celebrate about except for the upcoming SEA Games. Yeah, that's about it. I'll start early, end early, and ayoko nang sikatan ng araw dito. I mean, mainit na araw.